Hello everyone, welcome to back again. Now I am share first time payment proof. Okay, app link video description. Join my Telegram channel must be G Reward Earn Money Online. This earning application, very new earning application. Welcome to G Reward. Continue with Google. Select your Gmail and your age and your gender. Okay, I am select my gender and continue. I'm just click now. My account balance 00. I am just click the redeem options and scroll down and my refer code use 500 coins free. I am use my friend referral code 500 coins bonus climb now. My friend refer code use and submit 500 coins instant free. Okay, my refer code use 500 coins free and PayPal withdraw available 3000 coin 0.2 and high amount $50. Okay, and offer iron source offer available, survey offer and unlimited coins earning. And I'm back again now. Favor my country not available, your country available. Tap joy, I'm just click now. Tap joy, my country offer not available. And video watch and 50 coins earning live. I'm shared 50 coins. Okay, added. And I'm just click now coins option and click now coin option application install and earning unlimited coins 800 coins. And this application keep the last 3 day and 3-minute use and 3-day install now. Okay, and Android upcoming. And I am just click now history, my earning history and refer code use 500 coins free. And I am just click now redeem option 3000 coins 0.2 and gift card. Select your country and gift card available. Checking now. US gift card available and your $1, $2, $10 and mobile recharge available all country. Okay, mobile recharge available now. This application 100% trusted application. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.